Well, as far as we have come, there is still a stigma surrounding mental health. A Minnesota nonprofit is working every day to break down those barriers and start conversations within those who are working on the front lines of public safety to protect us all. Our Barrett Leone explains that the first of its kind facility is going to help veterans and first responders alike.
I didn't want to ever have anybody feel like they were stuck.
Russ Haynes was once there himself.
I was 17 years as a police officer, corrections officer, and 911 dispatcher. 2015, 2016, I was at my lowest point, struggling with PTSD, suicidal ideation. I couldn't find help because I wasn't a vet.
It's why he founded the Invisible Wounds Project in 2018.
I recognized that others were struggling, and that's where all these different lines came from.
The nonprofit is dedicated to serving Minnesota's military, first responders, frontline medical staff, dispatch, and more, to open up the conversation surrounding mental health, the wounds you can't see, and get them help. It's been a heavy few weeks within that community.
In the last 2 weeks, we've had 5 people that represent these lines that are not veterans that died of suicide.
As the state continues to mourn the loss of Minneapolis officer Jamal Mitchell.
He went to the hospital at HCMC. One of the critical care ER nurses that took care of him, that nurse had also taken care of Burnsville, the Burnsville shooting. After shift, that nurse died of suicide. That's not public, that's not known.
Haynes says it's stories like this one that keep him doing the tough work, to connect first responders with others facing similar battles, to let them know they're not alone, and to provide access to potentially life-saving help. That mission is now at the forefront in Forest Lake.
I have found nothing like this that exists in the country, maybe the world.
With a soon-to-be first-of-its-kind facility, a first responder support center.
This is meant to be a safe space for people to go, connect with each other, get therapeutic access, therapeutic services, and really it's a community. Where they're not alone. They're not the only ones who are going through that.
These empty halls will soon be filled, from art and woodworking to yoga education, and above all, hope.
We want to have them leave this space feeling better about where they're at, being proud of their service, recognizing that they may be bent but they're not broken, that there is hope, and that they have a spot to come back to.
That spot won't be up and running until later this summer, but when it does, Haynes is confident its impact will be immense.
Perhaps the butterfly is a great example of how you can go through extended periods of darkness, but still become something beautiful. That's our people.
In Forest Lake, Barrett Leone, WCCO News.
I just love that butterfly analogy. The support center has a soft opening next month, but they need your help as they're trying to rely on fundraising and donations. That's how they keep this thing going. So if you'd like to help out, you can head to WCCO.com.